Today, I'm going to be talking about Trader Joe, which is a low cap crypto decentralized exchange for Avalanche, Arbitrum, and BNB. I believe this DEX could be one of the most commonly used DEXs alongside Uniswap and PancakeSwap at the height of the 2025 bull run, therefore allowing many people to get great return on their investment if they look at buying right now. Let's get straight into it. Now, before we do, guys, I just need to let you know I'm not a financial advisor. These videos are just my opinion only. And also, if you get any little bit of value from these videos, please make sure to leave a like on them and subscribe. It really does help out so much. And we'll get straight into it. So, like I said, the project I'm talking about today is Trader Joe. The ticker for this is just Joe, the Joe token. You can see straight off the bat that it is obviously built on Avalanche, but also, guys, it is also compatible with BNB and with Arbitrum, therefore allowing for that increased scope of ecosystems, which is really, really important if you're trying to diversify as a DEX, right? Uniswap is too reliant on Ethereum. If Ethereum doesn't do very well, then Uniswap's not going to do very well itself. Whereas Trader Joe has BNB, Arbitrum, and Avalanche, three upcoming, maybe not BNB, but two upcoming, blockchains and one blockchain which is already really well established. So let's get into the basics. I've talked about this one a lot, but I'm making this video because I think it's a really good buy even at these levels. We're talking a circulating supply of 342 million out of 500 million. So you're going to have little to no worry in terms of dilution. You've got a market cap of 128 million, but look at that trading volume, guys. $7.4 million trading volume with a very small market cap compared to the degree of usage. So that is a very good sign. When you see a lot of trading volume on a DEX token, that means people are obviously using the token and swapping the token. Therefore, there's clear token utility with this project. If we go on the max chart, what you can see here is, we're at very low levels compared to where we were in the last cycle. But guys, Trader Joe was brand new in the last cycle. No one really knew what it was. And like I said, it was new. It didn't have any previous usage all the way up until August 2021. So I don't know if you guys remember, but last cycle we had two tops with altcoins. We had April and then we had November. Imagine if Trader Joe was here in April 2021 and November 2021. I'm sure this all-time high would have been much higher than what it was had it had more time to develop and more time to obviously market. Nevertheless, guys, it went to a market cap of around 550 million and an all-time high price of $5. I think we're going to blast past this next bull run doing a 3x or so, even more of what it did in the previous cycle. I personally think when we look at this project, something along the lines of a 20 to 30x is extremely doable and conservative, okay? Very doable. If you're on the more ambitious side, you could maybe get to the very top, maybe a 50x, if you were buying in maybe a little bit lower in price, maybe you were buying in down here, then a 50x could be doable for you. But right now at these levels, I think a 20 to 30x on this project seems very likely. And guys, 20 to 30x is good. You put in $2,000, you take out 60 grand if you get a 30x. So you're not going to be complaining too much, are you, at the end of the day? 20 grand goes to 600 grand. Great returns on investment. Now, I want to just show you some of the reasons why I'm so bullish on this DEX as opposed to potentially other crypto DEXs, other projects. First of all, the user interface. Very nice, really clean. You've got the different blockchains there that you can swap between. Obviously, Arbitrum, BNB, Avalanche is the main one. But I really do believe in Arbitrum becoming quite a big upcoming DEX. I don't like it as an investment in terms of the token utility and tokenomics. But in terms of an upcoming layer 2, rather, for Ethereum, I really do believe in Arbitrum. Now, this is how it kind of works. You've got your token, and then you basically just swap it. Really simple. something that's obviously good to see. I don't know why no tokens are coming up. Maybe you just paste the token in and then it works. But I've used it before. I know loads of people use it. If you actually go to Trader Joe down here, you can see on the places to buy, you can see all the different DEXs and places you can buy it. There's a lot of options, including Binance. That's obviously very, very good. Now, let me just show you what it would look like if you were to trade maybe Trader Joe to wrapped Ethereum. This is what it would look like. So there's your Trader Joe, there's your wrapped Ethereum. You just swap it. Super easy, super simple. Connect your wallet and it's done. Now, user interface is great, obviously. And the main reason why I'm so bullish on this is the blockchains, is the layer 0s, the layer 1, and the layer 2 that are using Trader Joe, or Trader Joe uses them to basically allow for you to trade tokens and do loads of DeFi activities. Starting off with AVAX. Guys, this is the ecosystem for AVAX. Just look how big it is. Look how many different projects, NFT projects, gaming projects, DApps or dApps, however you say it, DeFi. There's loads of different projects all integrated within the Avalanche ecosystem, okay? Absolutely huge, major ecosystem, and it can't go unnoticed. BNB's ecosystem, right? This is just a small segment of BNB's ecosystem. Its actual ecosystem is much bigger. If you include every single project that is built on BNB, you are getting a major, major sized ecosystem. This is just DeFi and liquidity, and you can already see there's so many different options in terms of BNB, right? So huge ecosystem. Another one, Arbitrum, major ecosystem again, loads and loads of different projects, tools and things like that, all linked to Arbitrum. And you're seeing a growing trend with Arbitrum. You're seeing more and more projects look to build on Arbitrum because they like the security of Ethereum. They like the name advantage of Ethereum, but they want something that's a little bit more scalable, a little bit faster, maybe a little bit lower in fees. So then they would choose something along the lines of Arbitrum. So great options there from Trader Joe with the DEX. If one of these becomes a major, major project, if Avalanche is top 5 or Arbitrum is top 5 this bull cycle, Trader Joe is going to be huge, like the same likes of maybe Uniswap went to. Because Uniswap is just one layer 1 in Ethereum. Trader Joe has 3 options. So it's 3 times the potential in a way, because you've got even more options in terms of actually using the token. So where did Uniswap actually go to last cycle? Let's pull that up. And I think Trader Joe, I'm not saying it will, but it's certainly possible that it could go to maybe half of what Uniswap went to last cycle, right? This cycle, I'm expecting Uniswap to do double what it did previously. Maybe this cycle, Uniswap goes to a $40 billion market cap. Then it would still be very doable that Trader Joe could go to a $10 billion market cap and Uniswap would still be 4 times bigger at the heights of the bull run. So look, guys, I'm speculating here. It's all speculation, but ultimately chase the utility and the X's will come along. Chase the solid projects with clear fundamentals and the money will flow in later on, right? That is the way of how to invest, and that is what's worked with me. So guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you did enjoy, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Also, check out my Patreon page, linked in the description of every single video. I'm going to talk about the boss tier this time, guys, because every single video I talk about the VIP plus one. It's a no-brainer to go for this if you can afford it. But the boss tier, guys, this is where the money's at. If you join the boss tier, you can book a one-to-one call with myself. We can go over any of your crypto needs. If you want me to look through your portfolio, point you in the right direction of certain projects, or just review a project with you on a one-to-one call, I can do any of that with yourself on a call. Whether you're a complete beginner to crypto and you want someone to walk you through the journey from the complete basics, or you're more of an advanced or intermediate crypto investor, I certainly have a second pair of eyes and a second head to you. So therefore, we can obviously work as a team and try and make as much money for yourself as possible. Guys, that's it for this video. There's something for everyone in the Patreon group. Even if you're on a budget, there's lower tiers such as the elite tier. Check it out. Join for a month. See if you like it. and I am 100% sure you will want to continue. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.